Oh, thank you for having me. I really miss TOYCON and I'm happy it's back.
And we've
Yeah.
always been
We're happy
saying,
you're back.
Edgy, that you have a special place in your heart for TOYCON because this is pretty much where you got your start.
Yeah, it's so funny because I was like listening to your tagline, TOYCON 20.
Oh my God.
Parang kasama ko doon.
Oo, di ba?
20 na din eh.
20 ka na rin.
Okay.
20 years old lang.
Oh, yun.
I actually have a trivia question and I'll give a poster to somebody who can tell us what year. Okay, but I hope you remember, Alodia. What year did Alodia first participate in an actual TOYCON? I actually know the answer because I've been consulting my archives recently. Would you know, or anybody would hazard a guess, anong year unang sumali si Alodia sa TOYCON? Sige nga.
Sino po?
For those of
Anyone?
you who are long-time
Actually,
TOYCON fans.
May giveaway na kanina eh.
Oh.
Konting math na lang.
Diba? Konting
Ayan.
math na lang.
Konting math.
O sige po, hula lang.
Ano
Hula.
pong taon natin unang nakasama?
Sige po.
Alodia.
Ano po?
Please come here.
2022, last year lang po yun. Di po. Yeah, she's been with us for far longer than
Wala.
that.
Oh, so it's
Okay.
not
Ano ba?
2021?
Lapit kayo so we can hear your answers.
Sir, please.
2003, hindi naman.
2003?
Alright.
Hindi rin
I
po.
think that was the year you were born.
Oh.
Yes, meron pa ba?
Almost there.
2014.
Hindi rin. Goes back much
si
farther
sir.
than that. Lapit po kayo.
Sir, si sir muna, nakaputi.
2008, malapit na, but not quite. 2009, hindi po.
10. 2000, oh. Yes, sir. 2011. Oh, 2011
Okay,
daw.
eto na.
2011,
Ano po?
huling hula. Hindi.
2003, hindi po.
2003, hindi.
Yes? 2009, no?
Hindi, si sir na nakaitim. Ha?
Papaghalataan yung age
17?
Do you guys remember a
Oh,
magazine?
yes.
Sige, wait.
2013?
No,
2013,
sorry,
sorry.
but you're lovely.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Oh,
joining.
sino pa?
If you guys remember a magazine called Culture Crash,
Ma'am.
nabutan niyo ba yung Culture
Wait.
Crash na magazine?
Wait.
Ayan, the year when
2012.
she appeared on the cover with Ashley, her sister, was the very
Wait na
first
sir,
year.
si ma'am muna.
Yeah.
It's 2012, correct?
Hindi po,
Hindi
hindi
rin,
2012.
sir.
Wow.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Hindi po,
Hindi
not
rin.
2010.
Si sir
Can
na
you
kayalo.
give a clue?
Sir na
There's
nakayalo.
still time.
No, not 2015. Oh my gosh!
Para naubos niyo yung taon ah.
You feel
Si ma'am.
Ang bata namin.
2005.
2005?
Almost there. Almost there.
Almost there! Almost there!
Si ma'am na
Yes?
nakaputi.
No!
Si sir.
Oh, okay, sorry, wait.
Wait,
No,
wait.
sorry. Let's
Let's
take it
consult
from
the judge.
Alodia. Ano po? What's the answer?
The correct answer is 2004.
2004! Yeah.
Congrats.
Wow, that's right.
Crazy.
Because what are your memories of the first time that you joined the cosplay? And this was as a contestant, right?
Yeah,
As a participant.
definitely. I was always
Ma'am,
excited.
Congratulations.
Nahirapan naman ang gusto si ma'am. Dalawahin na natin.
Dalawa.
Yeah,
Ayan.
congratulations.
Congratulations. We'll take a picture with you later. Ayan.
Alright, so my early memories were actually something like this, but on a smaller scale.
It was a much
Okay.
smaller place for
Smaller
sure.
scale, and then everyone in the community magkakakilala na. Ganon,
Wow,
ganon.
talaga?
Yeah.
And what was your cosplay then?
If I'm not mistaken, sorry, my memory's kind of blurry. It must be from Trobits.
Right.
It's
It was an anime
Yeah,
character.
Anime
for sure,
character.
right?
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Aww.
And
Those were the days.
those were the days, really. We were just 2 years old then, back in 2004.
Yeah, oo nga. So, yeah,
And you
not-
actually helped us elevate talaga cosplay here in the
No,
Philippines. No, for sure.
I'm just like a supporter, a huge supporter, but a very big factor, of course, was TOYCON promoting this culture every year, and I'm just happy that all of you guys are here still supporting this special community. So thank you so much. Hindi pa rin nawawala yung passion niyo for toys, for art, for video games, and pop culture. So thank you so
Pop
much.
culture.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And now you're very busy running your own company called Tier 1. Maybe you can tell us a little bit about it. What
Tier
have
one.
you guys been busy with?
Yeah, so those who are not familiar, Tier 1 is a gaming agency. We're here. So yes, we're also behind Blacklist International. We have teams in Mobile Legends, before Crossfire, Call of Duty Mobile. And yep, our main goal is actually to support fellow gamers, make a career out of their passion. And I think may booth kami dito, di ko pa
Yes,
nabisit eh.
let's visit the Tier
Yeah.
1 booth.
So if you want to start your gaming career, please visit us. And of course, don't forget to visit also Bandai Namco, who was very supportive in being here kasi it's their first time now to actually
Yes.
have a booth here in the Philippines. So
Nice.
congratulations.
Thank you
Great,
to our
great.
friends from Great Toys Online for bringing over Bandai.
Thank you very much, Great
At
Toys
maraming
Online.
salamat, Alodia, for
Yes.
joining us.
Palakpakan naman po natin si Alodia.
It's been a while. It's been a while. And thank you really.
So thank you for
It was a
having
surprise
me.
for us that you're
Kaka-start pa lang ng
actually here.
TOYCON. So
Yes.
I'm excited
So
for this
technically,
weekend.
kung 20 years na si TOYCON, at 2004 nag-join si Alodia, debut mo ito sa TOYCON.
That's right.
It's 18 years with Alodia.
It's been 18 years.
Wow, fantastic.
Okay,
Fantastic.
can we take a selfie siguro with our audience?
Of course.
Ayan ha. Tama po kayo ha sa selfie na ito. Okay, baba tayo ng konti. Alright, here we go. Ready? 1, 2. Alright, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Ladies and
you.
gentlemen,
One more
Alodia.
Why gosh,
Thank
the one
you.
and only Alodia